Painting over rotten wood will make your exterior paint fail quickly, so replace or repair decay before you coat. Start by assessing all soft or crumbling areas using a screwdriver and by tapping for hollow sounds. Map every location and prioritize structural members like sills and trim. Remove rotted sections back to solid wood and cut replacement pieces from pressure-treated lumber or naturally rot-resistant species and fit them so grain and profile match visible surfaces. Use Epoxy Consolidant only for shallow decay where the substrate is still largely stable, applying per manufacturer directions and allowing full cure. Install mechanical fasteners and use compatible exterior-grade sealants at joints, and add metal flashing where water collects or penetrates, extending it under siding and above trim to divert moisture. Prime all exposed new wood before installation with a high-quality oil-based or exterior acrylic primer to seal end grain and reduce moisture movement, then paint with a coating system rated for your climate. When replacing decorative trim, scribe, and sand mating surfaces to create tight joints, and use stainless steel or hot-dipped galvanized fasteners to avoid staining and corrosion. Finally, plan for maintenance by ensuring gutters and downspouts move water away, inspect annually, and address any caulking failures immediately so small issues do not return to rot. Homeowners often try to paint over soft spots and then wonder why the finish blisters and peels. The fix is to cut out decay until you reach sound wood and install a proper replacement or use a consolidant if the damage is minimal. Another common mistake is failing to flash or correct the water entry point. Identify and repair the source, then add flashing and slope trims to shed water. People also skip priming new wood before installation, which lets moisture wick in and paint fail sooner. Always prime end grain and new faces before fitting and allow full curing time. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local painters and carpenters who can assess and perform rotten wood replacement and exterior painting while letting contractors find new work through our listings. We also host an active discussion community where we share project photos, techniques, and practical advice so our members can learn from real experiences.